go with some actual problems here. So method 5 here. Method 5, suppose given numbers are in prime basis. Given numbers are in basis. So let us consider one example here is if n1 will be equals to 12. So this can be written as square into 3 power 1 and n2 will be equals to 18. This can be written as 2 into square. So now I need to find the LCM of 1 comma n2 here. So LCM of n1 comma n2, in order to find the LCM, what we need to do is we need to take the highest power of a given prime basis. Highest power of a given prime basis. So among 2 comma 2 square, what will be the highest? The highest value will be 2 square here. And among 3 power 1 and 3 square, what will be the highest? The highest value will be 3 square here. So the LCM will be 4 into 9, that will be equals to 36. So this is already solved in the previous case methods also. So the LCM of 12 comma 18 will be of 36 here. Otherwise we can also solve this one in a different manner. LCM of 12 comma 18. So this can be written as 6 into, and this can be written as 6 into 3. If I take out 6 as common, or if I take out the common factor outside, it will be like LCM of 2 comma 3. So the LCM of 2 comma 3 are the co-prime number. For a co-prime numbers, the LCM will be the product 6 into 2 into 3. In this case also we'll get the same answer, that is 36 only. This case also will get the same answer as 36 only. Let us consider one more example for better understanding. Here n1 value gave it as 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 5 cube, and n2 value gave it as power 5 into 3 power 6 to 5 power 5. Now what we need to find the LCM of n1 and n2 here. So in order to find the LCM of n1, what we need is we need to take the highest power of the given prime number basis. So among 2 power 6 and 2 power 5, what will be the greatest value here? The greatest value here is 2 power 6. Among 3 power 6 and 3 power 4, what will be the greatest value here is? The greatest value here is 3 power 6. Among 5 cube and 5 power 5, the greatest value will be 5 power 5. So the LCM of these n1 and n2 numbers will be equals to power 6 into 3 power, okay, 5 power 5. I hope we are clear with this point. If we understand these concepts, then you can easily solve these problems based on LCM method. In LCM method, there are also some other kind of methods. In LCM method, we can also solve by using long division method, long